Well, concern is growing over the rising number of infections and deaths in local nursing homes. KCAL 9's Dave Lopez breaks down the disturbing surge in those numbers.
With the number of new positive cases in the county now surpassing 11,000, the number of deaths approaching 500. Today, Dr. Ferreira said there is one area that is causing her great concern.
So we are extraordinarily worried about the outbreaks that continue to happen across the many different institutional settings.
Especially, said the doctor, inside the senior living facilities.
There are 20 nursing homes and care facilities that have had outbreaks with more than 20 residents testing positive for COVID-19. There are 4 sites that are experiencing large outbreaks of more than 40 residents or more.
The number of deaths in those settings, over 150, representing 36% of the number of people who have died from this virus.
We have requested additional assistance from the Centers for Disease Control and the state to help us address the need for increased technical assistance at the large number of sites that have positive cases.
The people living in those settings, obviously, said the doctor, the most vulnerable to this disease. Older, underlying conditions, and in an environment, close quarters, where the disease quickly spreads.
It's easy for both the site and the people who are staying there, as well as the employees, to be overwhelmed with the quick spread of an infection.
And the doctor said all the numbers, all the data points to the obvious.
COVID-19, as you note from all the numbers I report, has spread across our entire community.
And even though there has been talk that these tight restrictions could begin to ease in early May, this reminder.
Safer at home is still in place, and it's important that everyone continue to follow the directives that are contained within the health officer order.
The same reminder from the governor.
I cannot encourage you more to maintain our social distancing and continue to practice the physical distancing.
It is a message worth remembering. We have come this far, but we're not there yet. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCAL 9 News.